G'day and welcome. So this video is not about cars or motorcycles, it's about a dog. Now, we've got this lockdown at the moment with the COVID-19 and I've been staying home, just leaving to look after my mother on occasion. But that's one of the reasons a couple of weeks ago I went and got another car, and we've got the Starlie we're painting and all this sort of other stuff. I'll give you a message on the cars at the end of this video. But Charlie wanted another dog, one of my kids. And since we lost Annie, felt there was a bit of a hole there. We're not trying to replace her, but you know. So at the moment there were quite a few puppies advertised on Gumtree and some other place he was looking, and found a puppy. Now they got in the car, Charlie and Susie, my wife, went all the way to Horsham from here. I think it's 3.5 hours away or so. Picked up the dog, brought it back, and they were home by 4 o'clock. And we're very, very happy with the puppy, and training's underway already. In fact, the day the puppy arrived, they started to train. So here's just a bit of footage on the puppy. Her name is Ivy, and I hope you enjoy. It's a new dog. It's an old dog. Oh, he's gorgeous. She. They've driven to Horsham and back. Ooh, we got some stress. We'll film through the trees.
Can you put Claire out the back?
Rosie.
Do you want Herbie at the back too? Yeah, all the dogs at the back.
Cute doggy.
Come on, Baba girl. Come on, let me grab. Come on, Baba. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl.
Dog wee wees.
Good girl.
It's white.
Yeah.
I know, it's just really white.
Not for long, it'll be in the mud soon.
Yeah.
Well, my clothes really got them.
You must be exhausted. Hello. Oh, you are really cute.
She's a bit bigger than what I thought.
Here, you can grab her, hold on. I'll grab her stuff. There's all paperwork and all that. I'll grab that later.
That's a cute doggy.
She needs a foot though because she farted.
Oh, did she?
That was Charlie, you blamed her.
Yeah, we always play the dog, don't we?
So cute.
Oh, she's a happy girl.
Yeah, she's really good.
Rosie, would you just shut my door?
Oh, you're very sweet. What's your name?
Now, remember, not toilet change.
Yeah, so I'll
Yeah.
clean up.
Oh, there will be
Oh,
accidents.
yeah, that's fine.
Oh.
What's her name? Scrotum. Oh, you're very sweet.
See?
Oh, she's a beautiful puppy.
I can see why you like it, Charlie. Oh, you're really special. Aren't you gorgeous? Oh, that is a really, really sweet dog. Roly Poly. Hmm?
She's
I bought you puppy milk. Yes, I bought you puppy milk. And
did you get her like
I got a log. All I could get was a log.
yeah, that's
The log's in the fridge. I got this
been
one.
doing nothing but sleeping in the car.
And there's puppy milk. And there's a log of the other food in there. We rang that lady too, Susie.
Just let me get in. I just had a shower.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, you must
We
be
haven't
exhausted.
had a shower. I
8
didn't-
hours in the
Well, you left
car.
at 7 o'clock this morning and you've just got
Water,
home.
she needs this water because this is clean for babies.
Now, she needs one set of needles, does she?
Yeah. So we'll do that
Oh,
next
you're
week.
very sweet. What was the mother like? Did you meet the mum?
She was,
Really?
she was full on. It was weird.
Don't me because I haven't got my
Yeah, same here.
Okay, where do you want she was
I just put it on the ground.
There, yeah, she's asking.
Some water.
Big girl.
Oh, have you got food? She needs food now, actually, because...
Yeah, there's dry food, there's puppy milk,
Can you
and
get
there's
a little
wet food.
container?
Okay.
That's what she wants.
And you've done a wee wee, you don't need to do any more. Oh, you're very friendly.
She's so
She was the most quiet out of them.
How many dogs were left?
There was 3.
Oh, you're shaking hands.
She was the ugliest.
Yeah, but that's alright. They reckon dogs look like their owners.
I could
Do
get
the skin thing again.
She's just walked through it.
No, it's just water alone, it's not you.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, she was just,
she's
she knocked
really,
it.
clumsy.
Oh,
She's like Cleo when
Good
we first
kid.
got her.
Do the skin thing.
Dad, move. Dad, move.
Oh, no, do it again, I missed it.
You should hang around the
No, she's gonna
clothesline.
pee.
Actually, wait, she's
She's gonna pee.
We'll do the skin thing.
Don't.
It was
Stop getting my
funny.
crusty toenails on camera. Look,
And is she 12 weeks?
just 12 weeks.
So here we have Ivy. Now, Ivy is currently the apple of everybody's eye, and she is a Australian Bulldog crossed with a boxer. Is that right? Only thing is, she's got a face only a mother would love, but she is rather beautiful. Now, Charlie lost a job, and in
Thanks
these,
for highlighting that.
no, but that's all right. That's so. Charlie felt that a good way to pass the time by with this lockdown is to get another job, get another dog. Sorry. So Ivy,
She wants to get a bear.
that's all right. But she is rather beautiful. Now the other dogs, Herbie's good. Herbie's a kind of a bit narky sometimes, but he's coping very, very well. And Cleo's been wonderful with her. But lots of skin.
I'd love to go into.
But, you know, the other dogs are wonderful with her. And she's got quite a lot of skin. We could probably fit another dog inside her. But
Oh, she wants to get a bear.
she is absolutely divine and loves attention with people. And trainable. Susie, I've got a bit of footage of Susie and Charlie training her to, or toilet training her. There's Herbie as well. Good boy, Herbie. So we feel rather fortunate with Ivy. Now, Ivy's had a few names. Josie, Lucy, Ivy. What other names were there?
Frida,
Bonnie.
Kelly.
Bonnie, yeah.
I liked Kelly.
But we've settled on, or Charlie settled on Ivy. I like Lucy, but my
It's
mother had
Ivy
Lucy.
with 2 E's or Ivy
No,
with
it's
an
not.
I.
Oh God, don't start that business.
It's just the IVY.
With a silent H and a Z in there too, right? So just IVY. Here's Cleo. And Cleo's been great. Cleo's the new mum of the house since we lost Annie. But Cleo has been absolutely wonderful, haven't you, Cleo? So the dogs are getting lots of love. And yeah, I just thought I'd like to introduce Ivy to us, to you. And on that note, we'll say goodbye. Bye-bye, Ivy.
Sit. Go down. Oh, didn't do it. Hang on. Good girl, down. Good girl. Good girl. Come. 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 No, she's too fast for me. Okay. Sit. Down. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Cleo. Good girl. Good girl. Down. Good girl. Don't take the little bit of a... Come on. Come, Ivy. Come. Good girl. Yeah. That's too good. Right. Ivy, sit down. Yes, good girl, good girl. Who's a good girl? You're a good girl. Good girl, good girl,
Not bad after one day of training.
good girl. Who's a smart girl, huh? Who's a smart girl? I can't click my fingers though after the chicken.
Oh yeah,
Come on.
some sort of.
Come, Ivy. Come. Sit. 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 Down. Good girl. Yes, good girls. Yes, you're a good girl too. Yes, you're a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You stay down. Good girl.
Right, so that's a cute little episode, isn't it? Not the normal sort of video we do, but I think when we got Cleo on the XW video restoration, there was a little excerpt about her in there. The cars, right, so we're into the rain now. It's a lot of good weather. We've got the little Bluey out there. We've got the Starlet, which I am ready to prime. But given that there's no glass in the Plymouth and all the rest of it, I can't push it out and leave it out there while I do that. So that video is ready. I've just got to prime it and then I can publish it. So lots of content coming up, but at the moment we can't sort of achieve that. But anyway, look, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Take good care of yourself and I'll see you soon. What do you reckon? She haven't.